How to fix Twitch not launching. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So a lot of times the problem of not launching comes when your device or the application is not updated. So just go to the Play Store and as you can see, here is an option of update for the Twitch application on my device. So you just have a tap on update and start updating. Now after it gets updated, what you simply need to do is make a long press on the Twitch application over here on the home screen. Then tap on app info. Now it will lead you to a new page where you can see different options. So just tap on the clear data options at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll be able to clear cache as well as delete data. Then tap on the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required permissions such as camera, files and media, and microphone so that you don't have any hindrances while using the application. As you do that, you can just go back to the Twitch application and launch it again, and this might be fixing your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.